As a second tool to draw a shape is freehand. Donc the aim of the freehand is to draw a shape freely and easily in a different path. We are going to try freehand, and like this I can make curves. So without line, without a perfect line, and we close here like this. It's not the more it's more the more useful in SketchUp, but sometimes it can be interesting to know that, and it is a possibility if we just want to make something a little special. And okay, and we close. Tac, tac, tac. I can turn and I close. So this is freehand, draw freehand lines by clicking and dragging. Like this.